Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and super yummy dessert shop, which is a miniature quilling, and this is actually a fridge magnet and it is very cute. I have added magnet on back side and we have lots of methods to make this. So without any delay, let's get started. First, I am starting with making the ice cream cone. For this, I am taking 2 strips of peach color 3 mm and making one cone shape. Like this. Now just adding glue inside the cone and spreading it using brush. Allow it to dry. Now I have already prepared some more tight coils using different colors. This is made using 2.5 strip of purple, this is made using 1.5 strip of yellow, and this is made using half strip of light green. Now I am just shaping all these using quilling mold and making a dome shape. For the ice cream cone, I am using 3 mm strips and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. Just add glue inside all the domes and spread it using brush. Here I have joined all 3 domes with each other and created the scoop for the ice cream. And now it's time to adhere ice cream scoops with the cone. So just add little glue and stick it like this. Wipe out the excess glue using brush. And your super cute quilled ice cream cone is ready. Now I'm starting with cupcake. For this I have prepared these 2 tight coils. This is made using 3 peach and this is made using 3 chocolatey 3 mm strips. Now I'm shaping both the tight coils again. For the chocolatey one, I am tapping in the center using backside of pencil to make the flat base. And now just add glue inside both the domes and spread it using brush and stick it with each other. Now to make the icing for cupcake, I am using peach color 3 mm strip and just making a spiral or spring using this tool and just twisting my strip like this so that you will get curly effect. Now cutting the curly design and wrapping it around the neck of the cupcake. So it will look like a frosty around the cupcake. And the cute cupcake is ready. Now starting with donuts. So I am taking 1.5 strip of peach color 3 mm and I am making one ring using my fingers only, because in the center part of the donut there should be a hole. That's why I'm making small ring. Just secure the end and the base for the donut is ready. In the same way, I have prepared one more ring using 2 mm pink color strips, and for this I have used one strip. So using this pink one, I am just making small dome and adding glue inside this and sticking it on top of peach ring. Now using the tip of the pencil, I am just pushing the center part of the dome and now creating some choco chip design on this using black marker. The cute donut is ready. In the same way, I have prepared one more donut using chocolatey and peach color combination. Now starting with bar candy. For this I am taking two yellow color 3 mm strips. First make a teardrop shape. And then leaving some gap, again pinch it. So you will get the bar candy kind of look. And now I'm just adding one small piece of peach color strip with this for the stick of the candy. And the mango bar is ready. In the same way I have prepared one more bar using orange strips. So this is the orange bar. Now I'm starting with the chocolate sticks. So for this I'm taking this paper which measures 5 by 2 centimeters, and we just need to make one pipe using this paper. And this is done. Now I'm taking chocolatey color 2 mm strip and wrapping it around this to make a chocolate stick. And this is done. In the same way I have prepared one more and two sticks using pink and white combination for the strawberry sticks. So these are done. Now starting with shake jar. So I have already prepared these shapes. This dome is made using two aqua blue 3 mm strips. This is a long cone shape. This is made using two 3 mm pink color strips. This is made using two light green color 2 mm strip, and this is made using two peach color 3 mm strip. And also created the small chocolate stick to add on this. Now I'm just assembling my shake jar. And this is done. Allow it to dry. Then I'm starting with cup ice cream. So I have made this dome using 3 dark pink color 3 mm strips, one small dome using half dark pink 3 mm strip, and these 3 tight coils are made using one strip of 2 mm for each color, that is yellow, light green and pink, for 3 ice cream scoops. Now I'm just joining these domes together to make the cup for ice cream, and then I will add all 3 ice cream scoops inside the cup. If you wish, you can add one stick inside the cup. So this is done. Now I am starting with the toffee, everyone's favorite. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of blue color 3 mm and I am making one arrow shape. Like this. In the same way I have prepared one more, and this tight coil is made using one strip of neon green 3 mm. Now I am joining these arrow shape on both sides of the tight coil, and the toffee is ready. In the same way I have prepared 2 more toffees with different combinations. Now I am starting with the candy. So I have prepared this red tight coil using 3 strips of 3 mm, and I am just making some diagonal stripes on this using white color paint just to give it a candy look. And on the bottom of this I am adding peach color 3 mm strip bunch. In the same way I have prepared one more using white combination. Now the last one is a cake. So I have prepared these 3 tight coils. These chocolatey tight coils are made using 5 strips, and this peach one is made using 5 strips. So I am joining all 3 tight coils together, just making sandwich of the tight coils to make the base for the cake. And then in the center I'm adding this dome, which is made using one strip of light brown 2 mm, and around this I'm adding pink color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strip of pink color 2 mm. And the super yummy chocolate cake is ready. Now it's time to make our shop. For this I'm taking the 7 by 9 cm mound board and 1.5 by 7 cm small piece of mound board, and this connector which measures 7 by 2 cm. I have just folded this in half. To stick these two mound boards we need these connectors. So just add little glue and connect these two mound board pieces together. I am keeping this small piece of mound board little diagonal to make the shade for our ice cream or dessert shop. Adding one more piece of connector on top of this. And this is done. Now I'm taking yellow color cardstock which measures 9 by 11 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased on 1 centimeters. So fold all the creases, burnish it using bone folder, and then chop the corners before sticking. And then just start sticking it in the front side of the shop. Fold it backward, add glue, and this is done. In the same way I have added one more yellow cardstock on back side. So the base is done. Now I'm taking this beautiful pattern paper which I am going to add in the front part of the shop. Then I'm taking this cute small piece which I got from this pattern paper, and this measures 2 by 1 centimeters. I'm just curving the two corners using scissors to make the roof tile effect. So this is done. In the same way I have already prepared some more. Now just add little glue on the roof and start adding your bricks one by one. Similarly completing the second row, and this is done. Super cute roof is also done. Now to make the stands of shop, I am taking this mound board piece which measures 6 by 2 centimeters, and I am going to wrap yellow color cardstock again on this. So this is done. In the same way, I have prepared one more which measures 7 by 2 centimeters and one more which measures 5 by 2 centimeters. So we need 3 panels. Now take back your shop and start adding these bases one by one. So just add little glue and hold it for few minutes. Similarly, I am going to add third one on the left side. Now here I have prepared some small plates which are made using 3 yellow 2mm strips, and I am going to stick my donuts on these plates. So these are actually serving plates for our donuts. Similarly, I have prepared one small dish using 5 strips of blue color for candies, and this tray is made using 5 strips of white color for toffees. Now take back your shop and start adhering all the desserts one by one according to the space. Just arrange all these desserts. Like this. So the super cute shop is ready. It's looking very yum. Now I'm just adding one piece of cardstock on which I have written dessert shop on back side of this. Like this. Just hold it for a few seconds. And this is done, and I'm adding one strong magnet exactly in the center on back side. For this I have used B6000 glue. And the super cute dessert shop miniature quilling fridge magnet is ready. It's looking very yummy and very attractive. Trust me, in the reality it's looking super cute. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.